Welcome to Mineo, the platform for building data apps on Python notebooks. In this video, we'll show you how to create a financial analysis data app using Mineo. Let's get started. In the first step, we'll create a Python notebook that captures data and stores it in a CSV file. We will use the Mineo integration with ChatGPT in order to generate the code of the notebook, just providing a description. We will use the Python package Yahoo Finance to download the data and then use the pandas library to store it in CSV. Once we have the notebook, we will set up a pipeline to execute the notebook periodically. This ensures that your data is automatically updated on a daily basis. Now we'll run the pipeline to get the final CSV file, which will be stored in Mineo's embedded file system. The second step is to connect the data to Mineo. It's as simple as creating a data source and connecting to the CSV file. Once the data source is created, it's available to the whole project. In the final step, we'll create the notebook that utilizes the data source we created earlier. With Mineo, you can build dashboards combining the best of both worlds, business intelligence and data science. We will start the notebook creating a title widget. Widgets are non-coding components that allow us to create common functionalities effortlessly without writing a single line of code. You can see that you can configure the widgets simply by configuring them. As you can see, you can interactively configure the widgets by simply configuring their settings. You can move any block around to create the layout you want. Now we are going to add an image thanks to widget image. The next widget is a form. This widget can filter and provide tools to build selectors interactively. We will allow the user to filter the stocks data by ticker name. Now we will create a table connected to the filtered data source to display the data in a tabular format. As you can see, you can add interactivity to your notebooks by simply connecting components. The last widget that we will add is a graphic. It works as any other widget, just adding it, connecting to the data as configure it. This widget has many options to create dozens of different graphics with interactivity. You can hide Python code blocks in your dashboard. This way you can show the end user only what you want them to see. The last step to complete this data app is to put in production. In Mineo, this is as simple as sharing the notebook and configuring permissions. And there you have it. In just 3 simple steps, you've created a powerful data app for financial analysis using Mineo. Visit Mineo.app to learn more and start building your own data apps now.